So what we have here is a linear equation, 7x plus 4y equals 14, and that's in standard form. Standard form, just as a review, is ax plus by equals c. And so what they're asking us to do here is to graph this, and we have four graphs to choose from. So when you have an equation in standard form, the easiest way to graph it is by graphing the x and the y intercepts and then just connecting them. And as a reminder, the x-intercept is where the graph crosses the x-axis, and the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. So how are we going to do that? Here's what we're going to do. The x-intercept, so the x-intercept occurs where y is equal to 0. So I'm going to take this equation, 7x plus 4y equals 14, and I'm going to set y equal to 0. So in other words, let's just do this. Let's cover this up. So if it's 0, it just goes away. And what I have is 7x equals 14. 7x equals 14. I want to solve this. So 7 times x. So I want to divide both sides by 7. And so x equals 2. These cancel out. And so the the x-intercept is at 2. So the coordinates of that would be 2, 0. So when y is 0, x is equal to 2. Now we can do something similarly for the y-intercept. So let's look at that. So the y-intercept occurs where x equals 0. And so I'm going to take that equation again, 7x plus 4y equals 14. And this time I'm going to set the x equal to 0. So it's going to go away. What I teach my students to do is just put their finger over this or put their pencil over that, cover it up, make it go away, and then solve what's left. So I have 4y equals 14. 4y equals 14. I'm going to divide both sides by 4 to solve that. And so y equals 3.5. So the y-intercept is at 0, 3.5. And so then we just look let's look at the x-intercept here. We're looking for an x-intercept at 2. So that one's got an x-intercept at 2. And well, really, that's the only one. So right away, I know that's the answer because this is the only one. A is the only one that's got an x-intercept of 2. This one has an x-intercept of 3.5. This one has an x-intercept of -2. This has an x-intercept of -3.5. But just to double check, let's look at the y-intercept, 0 and 3.5, 0 and 3.5. So that's it. So the answer is A. So keep up the hard work and you will master the math.